Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files using Google One VPN on Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Google One installed on your Windows device. Open the Google One app from your desktop. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Navigate to the VPN section within the app. Activate the VPN by clicking on the toggle switch. Once the VPN is active, confirm your connection status. Next, open File Explorer on your Windows device. Locate the files you wish to transfer. Right-click on the selected files. Choose the option to share or send. Depending on your preference, select a sharing method such as email or cloud storage. If using cloud storage, ensure it supports Google Drive or another compatible service. Paste the files into your selected service's upload area. For email, enter the recipient's email address and attach the files. Include any necessary message or subject line. Double-check the attachment size to conform to email limits. Once everything is set, click Send or Upload. Monitor the transfer's progress within the app or email interface. Once the transfer is complete, notify the recipient if needed. Deactivate the Google One VPN if you no longer require it. Close the Google One app after use for security purposes. You have now successfully transferred files using Google One VPN on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.